Hey, good morning, everyone. Sorry I'm late. My Google crashed and had to restart everything that was on Google. Don't know what that's all about. But uh, it is what it is. Hey, good morning, Carol, Chip. Good morning, Ed. How's it going? Vern, Fred, JW. Good morning, Julie. Hey, Steph. How's everything going over there? Good morning, John. Beautiful Thursday here. Let's see here. Sure wish I didn't take those SPY puts yesterday. But life is what it is, isn't it? So I'm going to be closing those out ASAP this morning. Going the wrong direction. I kind of thought we were going to have a little bit more of a pullback. But I squeezed it a little too much. Little too much. So I'm going to be dumping those in a heartbeat. According to the scanner this morning, man, there's some good setups out here. There really are. I just had VZ up here, and VZ's looking pretty nice. Great little bottom that it's put together here. Trend indicator's green. I've got some targets up here. I've got some really nice targets, I think. I think that's pretty nice. Here, I want to go to the website real quick. I want to share something with members that you'll see here in a bit, or you can see it now. But hit and run candlestick members, you know how you click right here to go to log in to the room, supposedly. There we go. Whoop. Oh, there we are. You log into the room right here. Well, come on down a little bit. Well, now my Google is acting a little funny here, not responding. There we go. Anyway, if you come over here to daily trade idea videos, there'll be some videos in there, but I've posted some charts in here. Really slow. That's okay. We'll get there. I've posted some charts in here, like VZ, for instance. It's really easy for me to post these in there, so you can go look at them. Here's Intel whenever you want. TLT, that's our TLT trade we're already in, but there's some target zones there. But anyway, anytime you can come over, log in as a member. That's going to be the thing you're going to have to do. And this is running kind of slow. You log in as a member. This is where you get in the room, and once you're in the room, you can come back to this page and just take a look at that right there. Anyway, I just want to point that out, and I hope that's helpful. I've had some people ask about something very similar to that, and I think that's the best place to put it. So anyway, VZ here is looking pretty good. Well, let's go to the market. Look, are we going to see more downside in the market? I cannot guarantee that. I can't do that. I'm even hearing now all the bearish people on the various TV shows kind of backpedaling just a tiny bit. I hear that a little bit. So I don't know. Are we? I can't tell you that. And honestly, they can't either. What I hear is, well, rates are going to continue to climb, so the market's going to go down. That's funny. The rates are climbing and the market is going up. So, you know what I mean? Trade the chart, for goodness sake. Stop listening to all the rhetoric out there. Just trade the chart. Right now, the chart is bullish. You can see that on the SPY here. Are we approaching resistance? Yeah, we are. Man, that won't be the first time in your trading career that you're ever going to have resistance that's going to look you in the face. Believe me, it won't be. So we just have to trade appropriately here. Appropriately for me would be take it easy. Maybe go more to cash, lighten up on positions when that happens. And I think that's a good plan. But right now, that wall of worry is climbing up there. Let's take a look at the diamonds. The diamonds busted that wall of worry. Or I'm sorry, it's in the wall of worry. It busted that downtrend. Is the diamonds here going to tank? They could. They could. They could. I can't tell you that for sure. I know that I don't think we should be too overly concerned until we start seeing topping signals. Topping signals might look, something like this. Topping signals might look like that. Topping signals can be, a series of small body candles like that, and we start moving down. These are all kind of topping signals. We don't have that yet. So I'm thinking staying with the trend is the best deal of all. Don't fight the trend. I fought the trend yesterday. For those that know, I got some SPY puts, and I'm going to be out of those ASAP this morning. First thing I do, market open, ding, I'm out, just like that. So anyway, what else do we have here? Take a look at IGT. I've got some targets up here for IGT. Now, IGT might be a little stretched out. I'm not looking at charts that are like buy today. These are charts to put on your watch list and trade at your leisure. I'm not a hurry up, let's get in today. I'm more of a, hey, let's put this on the watch list. We have one of the best tools out there to do this with live trading alerts. If you don't have live trading alerts, I honestly think you should have. I truly think it's one of those trader tools that are just, it's like putting your britches on in the morning. Man, you just should do it. So I'm going to wait patiently, put this on a watch list, because it's doing everything I like. Beautiful trend, higher highs, higher lows. I love it. But I want to wait for the best opportunity to buy. We have found that one of the best, not necessarily the almighty, but one of the best areas to buy is in that 3/8 trap area. Another good area to buy would be something similar to an 8/17 trap or a bounce off the 17, something like that. I have no problem also with buying on a breakout. I have no problem with that. The problem I have with IGT right now today is I do not believe, for me anyway, it didn't rest enough. So it's just kind of hanging up here, and that's okay. But I want it to rest, and then I'll look to get in. What's the other one we have here? Oh, here's HZNP. Look at that. Here's targets up here on HZNP. You can see we've broken out. The trend indicator is working. Remember, principle number 2 is trade in the direction of the chart you want to trade. So, for instance, if somebody was to say, I'm shorting HZNP, I would take my right hand off my mouse and smack it up against my forehead. I just would. And hopefully wouldn't say too much out loud. So, trade in the direction of the trend. Number 1 is trade in the direction of the market. And I don't know, is a SPY your market? Maybe, maybe not. It's bullish. How about the diamonds? Is that your market? It's bullish. IWM, is that what you focus on? It's bullish. How about the Qs? Holy Toledo, even the Qs have gotten a little bit bullish. So, trade in the direction of the market there. Let's take a look at some KHC gold. Gold's doing pretty good here. Look at that. Target's up here. Beautiful trend. This is a nice 3/8 trap that we're in right now. I like that 3/8 trap. Looks like we're going to open up at about this area of $4.30. So might have to take this one a little serious. We'll see. Another one is gold, GOLD. Look at gold here. Nice flat bottom. Sellers had a chance to take advantage, but they didn't know how, I guess. And we rally up, and here's a pullback. Terrific area. There's targets. There's targets up there for gold. So anyway, Thomas is pointing out sand. Yeah, look, you're right, Thomas. Look at that sand. Beautiful chart. You've got a low, a high, higher low, higher high, flag, or pin it if you want to, or ascending triangle if you want to call it that. Trend indicator is green. The market is bullish, right? Right. You know, UUP might be something that a lot of people follow when you're going to look at the miners there. And that's going in the proper direction, down. That's going down. So are we at support here? I don't know. I don't think so. Well, first of all, you're not at support till you see a bullish candle. Support is always a backwards looking thing. Oh, look, we bounced off support. You can't predict support because it requires price action. And price action hasn't happened yet, so you can't predict that. Anyway, where are we? What else do we have? Do I have anything else here? I've got a couple more. ANET, ANET, nice bullish trend. I think we're acting pretty good here. Targets 138.70, 144.70, 148.40. All right, looking good there. Hey, I want to remind everybody tonight at 8 p.m. in the free open public room, Mr. Doug Campbell of Right Way Options will be presenting over there. So I hope everybody shows up. Crowd the room, blow the room up. That would be really cool. On Wednesday, remember Ed and Live Trading Alerts has a webinar at 2 p.m. Eastern for those that want to learn about the best tool in the world, as far as I'm concerned. And then at 7 p.m. Eastern Wednesday, members of Hit and Run Candlesticks, we will be doing a fast track webinar. It only will last about an hour. I'm going to be real kind of a stickler on that. But the main topic is going to be the gap and trap strategy. So we'll be taking a look at that. It will be recorded for members. So if you can't make it, not to worry. We will record that for you. So with that, I'm going to say thank you very much. Happy Tuesday to everybody. And we'll see you all here in about 25 minutes. All right. Later.